Welcome back, cooks, to our turkey bacon wrapped asparagus lesson. This one we'll be using our asparagus. We've already washed it. We have our turkey bacon. It's pretty thin, so it makes it easy to wrap around. You can use other versions such as applewood bacon, pepper bacon, but we find for starting off, this one will wrap pretty easily. We've gone ahead and separated our asparagus into bundles of 3, and we'll use 2 pieces of bacon per bundle. We'll go ahead and grab one of our bundles. And I like to take the bacon and we'll angle it just a little bit. And the very end, we'll tuck it underneath. This will keep it tight. And then we'll go ahead and start our first wrap. Grab it again and start our second wrap. I like to let gravity let it fold it over because you want to keep it tight as possible. So this way, when you put on the second piece, it'll tuck under this piece. The best tip is to use your thumb right here to hold it down and keep it in place until you use that second piece of bacon to start the next wrap. We'll go ahead and put it on our tray and then just repeat with all the other bundles. Remember, while doing this, you'll try to keep the bacon as tight as possible, but be careful because it can tear. That's why I suggest tucking the first part, doing a wrap over, and just let gravity let the bacon drop. And do it again. Remember, gravity is going to be your best friend here. And then remember to use your thumb to tuck in that second piece so it stays down right here. This is where you want to tuck it down. We'll go ahead and repeat this with all the other bundles until our tray is full. We'll go ahead and grab our brush and we'll take just a little bit of canola oil, and you don't want much, just barely put your brush in there, and we'll slightly glaze over each one of these as you want your toppings to stick to the top of the bacon, and this will make a nice crust in the oven once it's fully done. But you don't want to put your toppings on and they all just fall off to the side. Doing this slight layer of canola oil will make all the toppings stick to the top and give it good crunch in the end as well. Remember, cooks, you don't have to be perfect with this. You're just creating a nice shiny top glaze. This way you're not wasting in seasoning and it has something to stick to. We'll go ahead and grab our bowl with our mix from earlier. And what I like to do is make sure you're going the full length of the bacon and asparagus to make sure you're fully seasoning it. You want to make sure when you're eating this, you're getting a bite of asparagus, seasoning, and bacon in each bite. You can even tap it if you need to, just to make sure the seasoning is stuck and sticking on there. Again, freestyle with this. We're just getting this ready and prepped to put in the oven, but make sure it's flavorful as possible.
It sounds good because it is good, cooks. Serve hot and enjoy with a dip like ranch or whatever you choose. These are perfect as an appetizer, side dish, or even on the go. Let's get a closer look at that bacon and those delicious toppings. Mm. Thanks again for cooking with B&T's.